Today, I will teach you how to match the Honda PCX160 remote control and lose it all. Matching Honda PCX160 remote control or lost. Need a control box from the original car. The control box code of the original car is K or LF0. And the new remote controlled. The new remote control will not respond by pressing the button. During the matching process, it is necessary to keep the third button of the remote control on the green light. The red button on the platform is for wiring. The white button represents the rotating lock head. The black button illuminates the lock head. Matching remote control requires wiring first, then lighting up the lock, and finally checking if the light will turn on. Okay, take out the password for the original car, and then connect it later. Turn on the lock, it will light up here. Then, if the password is Ying, wait for it to automatically flash once. Okay, let's enter another password. Wait for it to shine once. If the password is correct, this green light will light up. Okay, press the white button to turn the lock. The remote control light will respond. That's how it matches up. Now turn the lock back. Then disconnect the wire. Let's try again. Okay, it will shine. The light on the remote control will light up when the lock is turned on. Good matching completed.